steaks, the king of meat dishes. People love to eat steaks, and so do I. Unfortunately, not all steaks are tender and delicious. This is especially true for less expensive meat, like this. Imagine that you're going to enjoy a steak dinner at home. If the main dish isn't as tender as you expect, you will be disappointed. This also spoils the other delicious dishes and wine. If you want cheaper steaks to be more tender when you enjoy dinner, niXaX will be your best friend. Hi everyone! Today I'm going to introduce a revolutionary new steak tenderizer called niXaX. niXaX introduces patent-pending ideas along with sharp Japanese blades in order to improve your steak life. Using niXaX is simple. You simply put the meat on the cutting board, then push from left to right. The blades are arranged in an X shape, and one side is done just in 10 seconds. If you prefer the steak to be more tender, flip the meat and repeat. Easy. Only less than 20 seconds, your steak becomes much tender, and you can also cut down on the cooking time. Other meat tenderizers have some weaknesses when you use them. For example, when tenderizing meat, the blades of other products stick to the cutting board. And of course this damages the blades. However, niXaX has two guide pins that are a little bit longer than the blades. They can protect the edges from sticking to the cutting board. After using, you just open the cap and pull the blades. Then you can wash each blade's blade. Of course, you can also put it in the dishwasher directly. Our company has over 100 years of history making cutlery in Japan. The blades are finished by skilled craftsmen one by one, ensuring the highest of quality. niXaX changes your daily steak for the better, hassle-free. Have a great steak life with niXaX.
often do you feel like you're short one or two hands? As travelers, fully engaged in the rush of the city, going back and forth between work and home, friends and family, we all know that an extra free hand can give us the edge we need to master the city. We carry our coats during both rain and sunshine, and while they keep us warm and dry, they can be quite a hassle to have to carry around all the time. Well, not anymore. Now you have HipDonkey, an amazing leather gadget designed for carrying your coat in style and allowing you to keep your hands free. Whether it is taking that one important phone call while rushing for the last train, or simply starting your day with your much-needed cup of coffee, the HipDonkey makes sure you always have that extra free hand. HipDonkey, master the city.
Hi Kickstarter, my name is Thomas Lehman. I'm a designer and owner of a small product design firm. We have been very lucky to spend most of our time developing furniture and consumer products for international and U.S. companies. As designers, one of our benchmarks is the innovative products from Apple, a company whose iPads, iPhones, and iPods we use and misuse daily, often resulting in irreparable damage to the cables that keep them working. You've seen them. Those ugly, broken, worn out, and taped up cables. These cables and our innovative design solution is why we have come to Kickstarter. The MySaver Pro Kit is the perfect solution for those torn and broken cables. It is fully assembled and we're offering it here to the first 100 people for only $10 on Kickstarter, after which it will still be priced right at only $19. Matching Apple's legendary quality and attention to detail is very important to us, so this Kickstarter edition will be made out of an intelligent mix of precise, highest grade aluminum and strong and very flexible silicone. The MySaver Pro is complete, fully assembled and ready to use. It is designed to replace your damaged cable as well as prevent cable breakage. Each kit includes both the MySaver docking and USB connectors and an OEM-grade matching cable, which is fully compatible with all iPads, iPhones, and iPods. These complete kits can be ordered in 5 professional and fun colors: metallic silver, green, pink, orange, and blue. Each color is carefully designed to match the new iPad 2 covers. We have even designed a special locking clip to store the cables neatly. Because we believe in preventative maintenance to protect the life of our Apple products and understand that some of you are DIYers, we are offering the no tools required, easy to assemble MySaver Cable Protector Kit. This DIY kit will be priced at retail for $10.99, but on Kickstarter we are offering this simple to use product for a pledge of only $8. We created this version for those who want repair and protection of your existing fragile cable. Take a moment and check out our list of great pledge offers. And if you love this project as much as we do, please pledge. With your help, we can turn this essential idea into real products and be able to deliver a sustainably packaged MySaver kit to you before the holidays. Hey guys, thank you so much for checking out our project here on Kickstarter. And we are very excited and hope for your support in helping us solve an ugly problem with a beautiful solution. If all goes as planned, we'll begin shipping our MySaver kits to you soon. So please remember to pledge.